I struggled to find a fan of suitable style without light kit. I found the Matthews company through several sources. I purchased a fan from another company prior and returned because of poor fit/finish. End-to-end the Matthews fan was better: packaging, installation, component quality, etc. Functionally, it is very well balanced, smooth and quiet. One pleasant surprise was inclusion of in-wall wireless control in addition to remote control. While more expensive than others, the fan was well worth it. Several folks who visited have made unsolicited positive comments about the fan. I had a question about the in-wall control that I submitted on a Saturday and was answered that same day via email, so great support also. This fan is awesome. Use it indoors in family room. So quiet. Everyone who comes over compliments its appearance. Definitely worth the extra money. I've had this model installed in my last 2 homes and love it. Quiet, looks so nice and not like your typical ceiling fan. It puts out a great amount of airflow. Everyone who sees it compliments me on it. Highly recommend. P.S. I've also purchased the model with the light and didn't like that nearly as well. If you're on the fence, go with this one and add floor lamp or Havcan lighting installed. I ordered this fabulous modern fan for our deck project back in October. It was installed and working when the contractors finished in November. However, it turned to winter and we never got a chance to try it out. Cue COVID in March 2020, and now we spend most of our time out on our deck. The fan was not working right, as I had to give it a push in order for it to respond to the remote or wall control. I contacted customer service for the Matthews Fan Company, and got an immediate phone call from Steve, one of the reps. He talked me through some self-diagnosis steps, figured out it was a motor issue, and said he would get a new motor to me ASAP. They did testing on the new motor for 24 hours in the warehouse before sending, and Steve offered to stay on the phone with me for the entire install so I could do it myself. Motor came within a week, and I was able to install myself without Steve's help, and the fan is perfect. I get compliments all the time on it, and would not hesitate to buy again. Plus, lifetime warranty. This fan is beautiful. It would blend with most decor seamlessly. I was worried it would be too modern or that the tubular body of the fan would look odd, but in our multi-fan home, these fans are by far our favorite. The blades are real wood and not plastic and the quality is outstanding. The air movement is quiet and powerful on low settings. I would purchase again and definitely recommend. Height is only 10 inches so we could put it in a room with a relatively low ceiling, 8 feet. Remarkably quiet. Settings 1 through 5 are almost silent. You hear it a little bit on setting 6. Click link in description for more reviews.